this looks like a professional job. So it's not going to be a routine investigation and routine capture. Yeah.
It was very professional. The way they came about, they were dropped obviously there on site. Now knowing the fact that you could be in a trap and you can't go just walk out. I mean, you could be trapped. If you were found, detected before taking the crime, where are you going to run? You will be definitely been this thing. So they are well trained. The biggest problem here is Pramod, is a kind of a fear which is setting into the minds of Goans, especially if you are a elite class. Because these people have studied. Ganeshpuri is an area where you have elite class staying there in bungalows, professionals, higher class people stay in. Maybe they are well off. So they have picked up their targets that we are going to barge into this bungalow. The very fact that they have cut the railing without anybody knowing, without the neighborhood knowing, without the occupants of the house knowing, this is
high tech.
Yeah, high tech completely. And then you go inside, gag all the occupants of the house, and have your cup of tea and relax for 2 hours. You search everything, take the jewelry, take the gold, and then go in such a way that it is a complete planned robbery. So एक भ्रांत अशी entire Goa that it could happen to anybody. It could happen to you, it could happen to you, it could happen to me, because इतले इजिली ते अशें आयल्या सारकें म्हणजे तुका आनी एक कोणाचोच भिरांत ना.